And to thought, come, that they're charging $7,000 to do that I just did. I'm gonna go buy the flexors and I'll be back to just put on the flexors and I'm good to go. I also installed this one myself in here, so I need to get the thing to screw on here and go in this hole and I'm good to go. Cut the pipe from up there, put it there. It's dark under there, yeah. So I need, my water is on. You know me full and I was going to do that. I've got thank you. Thanks, Mike. Thank you. Yep, I just ran out with my broken down Annabella. This is my card, my broken down Annabella. My little baby girl. So, gone back to key start, but the switch still opened it. Whew. No AC. My transmission mash up, so it makes noise. You can't go over hill. Yesterday I carried 2 bags of gravel, 4 bags of sand in it, and I have to back top out of where I went to get it. So about the flexos, about the this to go in the kitchen sink one, and the this. Okay, so going to go now, get me some gas in the car and go home and continue to fix it up because the plumber cost $7,000. So yesterday I have a friend come off. I called a friend over, Andre, and I said, take down this sink for me because I can't take it down because my hand can't bend like this to go in the back of that pedestal to take it out because it's an old-time pedestal. First face sink was up there, the old-time one, so it's kind of like I have to bend my hand to put it over there. So he took it down for me, and now I'm installing this one. I gotta get petrol. I forgot I need petrol in my car. $3.90. Savings.
how big.
Oh. I'm back. So, oh, this is for the kitchen. Thread tape. Boy, these cheap ass thread tapes, they come with so much problemo. Clean and nice. So one down. A toilet to go. Oh, this toilet got to go. And then my bathroom is A-okay. I need a toilet. I need a toilet now because I installed my own sink. In here is a bit dark. It's loud with the water going down because you can hear it. Because you don't have the thing right here to mask the noise. And yeah, I know there's no T-trap in there. A concrete board to put here and finished tile right here where the stove is at. My fridge is there. I'm going to go out the wall right now. I need more tiles. I have one tile left. So I need 1, 2, and this is 5. So 6, 12. I need 32 or 33 tiles. I'm not sure if I'm gonna tile this side because the fridge is there and the microwave is gonna go on top. No, I'm not gonna tile that side. Yes, so I have no one to help me, so I have to do it myself. So yes, I'm gonna have boo-boo, I'm gonna have derail, I'm gonna have hiccup, I'm gonna have ulcer on the wall, I'm gonna have so much shit. But at the end of the day, I get it done. Maybe not.